Stop playing with it, red light, green light, go. You remind me of suicide doors. Pretty face with a body like whoa. Hit it with the lava lamp on. Catch a cab, pack a bag with your overnight clothes.
With fame, everybody know my name when I come through. But don't nobody screaming like you. I was having visions with you, doing things, switching lanes in a Beamer with you, and swimming in deep water. Save me from
Small Business Tips Part 5. I'm going to show you how I was able to get more than 700,000 store sessions in just 1 month. Spending $1 on advertisements. Factor to know is that look how many people viewed my website on their mobile because of the social media marketing tactics that I did. One of them being TikTok. I posted a video 4 to 6 times a day. I know they tell you 1 to 3, but doesn't matter what time you post because there's customers around the world. Posted at 1 a.m. and everybody was asleep in the United States. There is everywhere else where there's so many people who are awake. So you can't just post any video. So I'm going to put a few video ideas here for you. But if you want to dive more deep into it with me, join my business class.
All right, business owners, show us where your packaging stuff is from. Let's help people out. Some people are starting off the way we were starting off at one point. So let's show them in the right direction. Show them where you get your packaging stuff from and show some love.
Small business tips on how to ship out orders. Using a shipping label printer will save you money in the long run. You can get it on Amazon and you do not need ink for this printer. I use Shopify to print out my shipping labels. When I first started my business, you guys, I was using a regular printer and I'm so happy I finally got this. It's so much more faster and it doesn't need ink, so you save money.
If you're starting a business, I have 6 very useful apps that will probably change your life and change your business before it even starts. Okay, this is the very first one. This app helps you choose your colors for creating your logo, for creating your brand, just to keep everything in sync. If you don't have a color picked out for your brand business, get this app. It's absolutely free. Google Voice is great if you have a service-based business or if you have a product-based business. This can give you a business phone number. You literally sign up for free and you can get a whole separate number that you can use as your business phone number. Hashtag Expert is great for Instagram posts, figuring out what hashtags to use, what hashtags to not use, which one are best, which one are trending, all that good stuff. This should have been my first recommendation, but this app is so great with organizing your ideas and thoughts and putting it all in one place. You can get it on the computer, phone, and
Here's some custom things I got for my small business. This tissue paper from Alibaba, keychains from Sticker Mule, this water-activated tape from Sticker Mule, thank you cards and stickers from gotprint.com, coasters from Sticker Mule, business cards from canva.com, and my poly mailers from Etsy. Like for more.
I'm going to tell you guys the easiest way to ship your packages at home. On my previous video, I showed you guys the printer that doesn't use ink and prints 100 labels in 1 minute. I'm going to show you how fast it prints with shipping ease. So immediately when I buy the labels, it starts printing immediately without pressing anything. It will show you the customer's order number and what they bought. When you put my username on Rolo.com, you will be saving $18, and now they are ready for shipment.
These are the 5 super important things you need to do before launching a small business. Reserve your social media handles on all platforms, like right now. Research and Google like crazy to see if someone in your industry has your same company name. And if they do, you're gonna wanna change it. If you wanna be in business for a long time, it better be legal. So you have to file your legal business entity. I used LegalZoom and it was a seamless process. It was worth every penny because that stuff gets confusing. Save that money. It always ends up being more expensive than you think it is. Some of these things you can do right now, even if you're just thinking about starting a company.
You have to stop ordering business cards for your business. They're old school and you just don't need them anymore. Come on over to Social Dot and switch it up. These awesome little dots are able to stick on the back of your phone, within your business, iPads, cash registers, whatever you need, and you can connect to your audience at the tap of a dot. All of your socials and custom links right there, instantly.
All right, business owners, show us where your packaging stuff is from. Let's help people out. Some people are starting off the way we were starting off at one point. So let's show them in the right direction. Show them where you get your packaging stuff from and show some love.
I'm a struggling actor, but if I'm asked by a stranger what I do, I usually end up telling a lie because there's too much to get through. I don't want to go through the motions of saying that auditions are a full-time job. I'd rather smile and simply state that I have a full-time job as an accountant.
Hey sis, so you finally decided on a business name. Now hold up. Now before you start trying to marry this name, there's a few steps you need to take now. I'm going to show you what you need to do. Let's get it. The first thing you need to do is go to namecheap.com and search and see if the domain is available, sis. Namecheap has always been my go-to because number one, it's cheap. It's only like $8 for the domain. And their privacy protection is absolutely free every single year. Next thing you're going to do is go to NameCheck to search and see if your username that you want to use for social media is available. And it'll tell you everywhere that it's available. And lastly, you want to do a trademark search. You want to make sure that no one is already legally taking your name. Now smash that plus sign, that heart, and comment for more tips.
Me like the Three Musketeers, hey, hey! Tell a shorty come here, I'm trying to blow her back out, walking funny for the year. Tell me that you want me, that's the shit I always hear. I got three bitches on me like the Three Musketeers, bitch! Shake that ass or kick rocks. Fucking situationship, I'm trying to see that box.
Here's a rookie mistake to avoid. So my shipping was set to the standard Shopify shipping of $6.90. Who wants to pay $6.90? I don't. You're going to go to all products. Then you're going to select on the products you need to change. So here are all my custom orders that I needed to change. You're going to go down and select them all. And then you're going to hit edit. Make sure you do this anytime you're adding a new product. Make sure your weight is set to the specific weight of your product. This was set to 0.5 pounds. My product is 0.5 ounces, and then your shipping is the right price.
Might have just found the best resource for small businesses.
So I've noticed a lot of the business advice on here is how to get your business to 6 figures per month, which is cool. I love that. When you're only making like 2 or 3 sales a month, that's kind of like not helpful. It doesn't do you any good with somebody telling you to spend $10,000 on ads when you only made $20 for the month. So I'm here to help the micro businesses get to their first $1,000 and couple $1,000s per month. My first tip is to assess your cash flow. Everything in business is expensive. Shopify fees, PayPal fees, packaging, inventory. It's all a lot of money. If you're not making any sales and you've been doing this for a while, there's a good chance your funding has dried up or you're starting to fall into a hole. What I would suggest and what I did is to go get a job. Go work someplace to get cash to fund your business. It's not ideal, like it sucks, but if you were really serious and you're not making any money, you need a cash injection into your business, and going and getting another job is one way to do it.
Here are my best tips for any small business. Number 1, share the behind the scenes of your process, especially if you're hand making items. People love to see their process and how everything is made. Number 2, invest in bulk items and using wholesalers for purchasing your product. It saves so much more money. 3, actually spend time on packaging and carefully packing each item. People love to see that. And 4, try using Pinterest to drive traffic to your shop. It is awesome.
Shawty gon' get that paper. Shawty tongue rip like razor. Shawty got wit, got flavor. Part of my tits and makeup. Pay her. Timberland hit that layup. Shawty ain't with them games, yo. Shawty gon' get that paper. tipo fijo.